Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to build multiple pages within Card. This took me a while to figure out. I wish I knew it sooner, so I thought I would share it with you now. If you're not sure what Card is a great way of building landing pages. Sometimes you need multiple pages within a page, and instead of building a full-fledged website, you can quickly knock it out in Card. It looks a little bit like this, so here's my setup. This is a very basic page, so do bear with me. Up here, you'll have your useful content, and then imagine you've got a couple of buttons, maybe one contact us or something like that, and the other one pricing perhaps. But then you need to make these buttons go somewhere. You can't build pages like a typical WordPress website, but you have to put them inside containers. To do that, you press the plus button up here. You add a control, and what a control will do, it will create a dotted line going across like here. And this is a section break. And we need to give it a name. So I've called this content 1, and I've got another one here called content 2. Within the content, you can add stuff. So let's add a table, but I'm going to put that table in content 1, and we will get a form, and this one can go under content 2 if it will let me scroll past it. Come on now. Sometimes things don't like to play ball. There we go. So here is our pages. Not very sophisticated, but it will do for a tutorial. So we've got page 1, page 2. Here is page 1 under content 1, and here is page 2. So on my buttons, instead of a URL, use a hashtag. So where I've defined this, I've called it hashtag content 2, hashtag content 1. Up here, we need the buttons to refer to it. Excuse the cat, she does this every time I record a video. And so we need to make the button link to the page. So under page 1, when we click, it's going to go to content 1. And page 2 will go to where button 2 is hiding. And it will go to content 2. So if I save this, and we'll publish the changes. I've got this on a live site. I say live on a Card URL. So we've got useful content, 2 buttons, page 1 and page 2. Real simple. So you could build yourself a full-fledged website using Card, using one page, using a landing page builder with no code in about 30 minutes flat, and you can get something really nice looking. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. It might be useful, it might be not. If it has helped you, please leave me a subscribe and let me know in the comments or anything I can help with. Cheers.